Do not adjust your screen. The pre-glued signature set by Olivia Attwood has landed.
Let's unbox the pre-glued signature set by Olivia Attwood and stay tuned because I'm doing a try-on of my favourite style from this collection, so let's see what's inside. First out the bag, the Olivia half lash. Olivia's signature style, mixed brown and black fibres for a soft and more natural glam. Next up, pre-glued Nina half lash. This is your brunch to boardroom lash, versatile, wearable and effortless. Then we have pre-glued Harper half lash, alternating fibres for a beautiful texture with a gradual wing that gives you that subtle cat eye lift without going full drama. And for our brown lash girlies, this is the chocolate everyday matte pre-glued lashes, warm brown tone clusters, perfect for a soft, seamless wing, be mapped out for you so there's no guesswork. And of course, the two that makes it all work. The non-stick one-step press applicator, designed and created to work perfectly for the one-step press application and removal. And a bonus to this set, the travel makeup bag. So sleek, so premium, and it will fit all of your essentials. And here's the exciting part. Within the Olivia collection, there are 6 new pre-glued half lash styles, all available to shop individually. You've already met Olivia, Nina, and Harper. Say hello to pre-glued Molly half lash, soft brown and black fibres for an understated natural lift. Pre-glued Sophia half lash, fluttery, textured, the perfect everyday to glam in between. And the final style, pre-glued Annabelle half lash, spiky fibres, bold wing, full glam drama for when more is more. This is the one I've been waiting to show you, my favourite style from the whole collection, the pre-glued Olivia half lash. Watch this. One press, straight onto the lash line, clamp down, and you're done. No glue, no drying time, no faffing in front of the mirror, and look at that finish. Secure, comfortable, and this stays put for 5+ days. Reapplying, not part of the script. And that's the Olivia Attwood x Tatti Lashes edit, and we'll catch you next time.